I'm gonna make the sauce, the dipping sauce, which is already spicy, so that would be perfect to go along with this one. So if you like this, again, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I make simple yet delicious samosas. This is all veggies. You can add any kind of meat you want. All the ingredients are optional except for the mixing. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch what I do, and towards the end of the video I will explain step by step what I did, so stay until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. So hey guys, when you're done peeling the potato, you want to add salt, masala, which is Indian spice mix. I put a link down below so you can check it out. It's pretty much the same thing. And also you want to add cayenne pepper or paprika, whichever is fine. And also I added chopped onions, which give like the sweetness when you eat it.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you this if you haven't catch up the first two. So you have the sheets, right? Pretend that you're gonna fold it, but from your right side, twist it. You're holding it like this, move your finger up, and then twist like this. Just twist, and then meet it in the middle like this, and from here, from this edge, fold it one more time, let it hang like this, and pinch it together, and then go about it, pinch it, and then from here there's a leftover like triangle right here, and fold it. Then you're gonna put the mix of for the flour to make it the glue. In this case, this one acts like a glue. You don't really have to use the flour mix, but I let the sheets outside too long and it dries out, and that's why I can't fold it. Otherwise, if you got it in the freezer, if you take it out from the freezer, because they sell it in the freezer in Asian market, you wanna take it out for like leave it room temperature for like 10 minutes, and it should soften it up and it should be ready to like use it. And in my case, I left it on outside for too long, so that's why it got really dried up and hard to close up together. That's why I need to use this. If you don't want to use this, and you just leave it outside for 10 minutes and it should be good. So, ooh, too bright, too bright, too bright. So it should look like that. And in a hot oil, you just put it in like this and until it's golden brown and it's ready to go. This is very simple and easy. You can add anything you want in here. It's optional. Like, I only like this like particular ingredients because that is how I used to remember eating it. I think back in Burma, I'm not sure anymore, but I like the cleanness of the taste. It's okay if you let it like tear, it's fine, but as long as it's not ripping around here or here, anywhere. So I use wet paper towel to keep the sheets moist. And then again fold. So you repeat this until everything is empty. Sometimes I even get confused while making this, but and make sure you the end right here is very tight. Very tight mean like no big holes when you do it. It takes practice like this making the cone, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. So again, take a little bit small amount of the filling and just put it inside and tuck it in until like way down there. And then now you can add. You don't need to fry this, like I said, you don't need to fry this too long because the potato is cooked already, and onion, you don't need to fry that long too. So until the it turns into golden brown. This is like one of my favorite snack, I should say, yeah. And if you guys want to know how I make the sauce, let me know. It's like tamarind sauce. For this ingredients, you don't have to use exactly what I use, but you have to definitely use masala, which is like Indian spice powder mix. If you can't find it at the Asian market, or if you have a local Indian grocery store, they have it. And if you can't find it, you can always order on Amazon. I'm sure that Amazon will carry the mixed powder. It doesn't have to be this brand. I got it from Burmese grocery store in Michigan. So that's what I'm using. And then so you definitely want to use the masala, the spice mix powder, cayenne pepper, maybe like 1 teaspoon of it, and then salt, and I think that's pretty much it. Yep, so salt, masala, the spice mix, and cayenne pepper. So those 3 you have to use. The rest you can use whatever you want. If you want it spicy, you can use chili powders. So you make sure you use the spice and the ingredients. I'm gonna take a little bit more again. because I don't want to use the whole thing. And then with potato it tastes so much better, but you can add ground beef, you can add chicken, you can use peas, whatever your heart desire you can add in here, whatever you want. So you see this right here, it have a little rip. Just cover it, because when you fry it, it's gonna open up and all the filling's gonna come out, and you don't want that. So like I said, you guys, you can add whatever you want, but make sure you use all the powders and everything that I mentioned. As long as you use that, you are good to go. I'm gonna finish this up, and then I will see you when I'm done. So you guys, I am done. This is what it looks like. So to keep it moist, I put wet paper towel on top of the samosa like this. I cover it up so that it'll stay moist. Yeah, I am pretty much done with everything, and all I have to do is put them in the freezer, and maybe I'll fry like 3 or 4 because I'm not hungry. So I have like about 8 or 10 sheets left. So I'm just gonna put them in the Ziploc bag so that every time I take it out, this is how much I want to eat. So like this, and I'm gonna keep this in the freezer. So sorry, my hands are still dirty. And the filling might come out, but it is okay. Oh my god, I put too much water on the paper towel and got into this one. That's why it looks like that. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And comment down below if you tried this or if you make this. Let me know how you liked it. Again, all the ingredients you can twist, or you can be creative and add whatever you want. The only thing I'm asking you to not skip is the salt and the spice and the paprika. You can add paprika if you want it more spice. You can add, I think it was chili powders. That gives more a little kick to it. I didn't add it because I'm gonna make the sauce, the dipping sauce, which is already spicy, so that would be perfect to go along with this one. So if you like this, again, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.